gawin natin ito ng tama. Alam mo, Sir George,
Kasi yung isa tahimik.
Trucks all the way down to the small motorcycles. Oo, when yung bisikleta, we're talking about the main roads, no?
Madalas
Lalo na yung mga highway, dapat kasama ko talaga doon. Para sa kaligtasan. Kaya importante ko talaga yung motorcycles maging parte ng national.
Ba't ito sir? Kaya na Indian to eh. Street food po. Parang ano? Parang ano na siya?
Anong karanasan mo sa pag-event?
Johnny. Yes.
Sabi dito Eric.
Okay, another t-shirt for 5 hours. Thank you for being here.
Johnny.
Alright.
And may automatic na high and low. Pagka may angkas ka, lalagyan mo lumabas ang
Masasabi ko sa show natin today, bro.
Yun, may lumabas ang Yamaha.
Okay. Gusto ko meet mo mag-guarantee siya. Alam mo, di ko mali may kwento ako sa last video. Tell us your previous experience or visit.
Our partner brands has got their booth in making heritage.
That's right. If you were to visit their store location, regular price, what's the something that we can update you guys. Here, you have first-hand chance to participate in work right here in weekend. And also, we are still in the booth of best dressed. I think so. We are for best dressed award. So if you were not here yesterday at the award, it's really you out there at the art space.
Yun, we've just got a word from Mr. J.W.
And also artists are
also have our arts.
Suzuki. Benda. We have right here in front of the stage. And you can just like their Facebook page. And then you can free coffee. This platforms. Pictures, selfies, the pictures of the motorcycles. Please also don't forget to share your memories on social media with our official hashtags. That's hashtag YPH and hashtag. Good afternoon, everyone. Of course, we are on the day 2 of the Philippine Moto Heritage Weekend 2024. The Moto Heritage Weekend 2024 is
Ito yung interceptor.